88 at Detroit Lakes. It was fair, with a temperature of 70 at Warroad, 77 at Baudette, 88 at Washkish, 76 at International Falls, and 94 at Minneapolis. Across southern Canada, at Winnipeg, rain was falling, with a temperature of 63. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 63 at Kenora, and 55 at Sioux-Lookout. In North Dakota, at Bismarck, rain was falling, with a temperature of 64. At Fargo, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 89. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 66 at Devil's Lake, and 76 at Grand Forks. Over South Dakota it was fair, and the temperatures were 95 degrees. Once again at 3 p.m. the report from Bemidji was not available. At Park Rapids, light rain was falling, and the temperature was 87. You're listening to NOAA's National Weather Service radio station WWG98, operating at a frequency of 162.475 MHz in Park Rapids, Minnesota. The current time is 3:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 451, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Minnesota: Becker, Hubbard, Ottertail, and Wadena. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.